Hello everybody. So I'm Yousef IDRISSI. I prepared my PhD thesis in environmental studies in the 5th Mohamed University in Rabat, Morocco. So I'm gonna present today. I'm gonna present my presentation. It's the impact of the depollution project on the quality of the coastal zone, Rabat-Salé region. So in this presentation, I'm going to present to you the development project started in 2006 on Rabat and Salé, which is the devolution project is just part of this development project, the world project that started in 2006, as I've said. So this is what I'm gonna present to you. So I'm gonna follow this summary. I'm gonna present to you the coastline and the climate change, and the first of all, and then Rabat-Sale-Kenitra region, and then the region on the pollution that the region has seen in the last decades, in the last 20 years, and then the depollution project and the context of this project. And finally, I'm going to present the evolution of the coastline water quality that we have seen in this region. So the coastline of and the climate change. So as you know, Morocco has two coastlines, the Mediterranean and the Atlantic coast. The two, of a total length of 3,500 kilometers. So the sea level is rising up. Is rising up already around the whole world. But in Morocco, that may not even be seen the same way. But the studies confirm that until 2100, the sea level gonna rise up by 1 meter, which is not easy. 1 meter. So the Rabat-Salé region, so just so you know the importance of this region. So this region concentrates nearly 11% of the total industrial establishments of the whole Morocco, of the whole country, as well as Rabat is the capital of the country of Morocco, and the majority of the national population with a high density, with an annual growth rate of 1.331%, which is not few, if I may say that. And the water resources, we have a lot of them in Morocco, so in this region. So there is a valley, Bouregreg Valley, and this valley of Cebu, and then the Atlantic Ocean on the three cities of the region, on Salé, on Rabat, and in Kenitra. And then we have the first biggest forest in the north of Africa, Marmora Forest, which is very known. So this is the region, and this is the things that has the region. This is the things that we have exclusively in this region. So the region has known really pollution in the last decades. In the last even 4 or 5 decades, and that that we hadn't a pollution control system until 2013 for Rabat and 2021 for Salé. So the sewage treatment plant we haven't them until 2013, and the wastewater effluents were discharged directly into the Atlantic Ocean and Bouregreg Valley without any treatment, without any even pretreatment. So, and the volume that was rejected was discharged directly into this aquatic resources. That was 200,000 meter cube per day, just per day. So the depollution project which is just a part of the development project of this two series, Rabat-Salé, essentially those two series. So the main objective was to clean up the Rabat-Salé coastline and the Bouregreg Valley. So this is one, and the project was launched in 2006, but the sewage treatment plants constructions was started in Rabat in 2013 and in Salé in 2021. I mean lately. So the evolution of coastline water quality, so in Salé, the concentration of coliforms were varied between 0.3 to 2.03 in 2009. I mean, according to bathing water standards, the bathing waters of this beach, of Salé, was of poor quality, was of clear class D. And in 2016, a remarkable improvement was seen in the quality of these waters, arriving at class A, which is very, very good thing. But unfortunately, in 2021, just the last year, this quality has dropped again to class D, unfortunately. But in Rabat, the quality of bathing water has shown a clear improvement since 2013. Class A or Class B, according to bathing water standards. So just to sum up what we have seen and now, so those two series, really a big density, a big demographic density. It's a very big population. And then until 2013 for Rabat and until 2021 for Salé, we haven't yet any sewage treatment plant to pretreat the wastewater, but we reject them directly into the aquatic resources, which is very, very bad thing. So, but in the last, thank you. I hope that was clear. Thank you very much for